Hi everyone. So when you decide to go for CAT or when you decide to pursue MBA, I'm sure you feel yourself in the similar position where this little kid Ishan was, because there are so many things that is required to understand, and there are so many problem areas in front of you. So for example, when you start preparing for CAT, especially if you are from that non-mathematics background, then the first question is how will I improve my quant. Then if you are an engineer also, sometimes you might be lacking those verbal ability skills, so you may require support over there. So at every stage you require a good mentor. In fact, if you have just appeared for CAT and now the question will be which colleges should I apply, right? And then how to clear this WAT and GDPI stages of this IIMs and other top B school. So that is where the mentors of Unacademy come in the picture. So once again, my name is Ronak Shah and I am a quant and LRDI mentor at Unacademy. And apart from that, I also help students to prepare for group discussion and personal interview. I'll also give you suggestions about the college selection and all. Right. So if you are targeting CAT 2021, then definitely I have a good news for you. Starting from tomorrow, I'm starting a completely new series of LRDI. You can say new batch of LRDI, where I'm going to discuss all the questions or the caselets related to games and tournament. So if you are a CAT 2021 aspirant, definitely you should join me at 6 p.m. for this LRDI series that I'm starting. In fact, not only the LRDI, as I mentioned, I also teach students the quant as well as the prepare students for group discussion and personal interview. So let me quickly show you my schedule for the complete week. So in this week, this is going to be my schedule. Every day starting from tomorrow, I'll be conducting session from 6 to 7 p.m. on Unacademy CAT channel of YouTube. And apart from that, from 8 to 9 p.m. I'll be conduct special free sessions on Unacademy app. As you know that these are special sessions, are the free session which you can attend on Unacademy learning app. So I'm going to conduct the sessions from 8 to 9 p.m. and in this session I'm going to teach you quant, and on YouTube I'm going to teach you LRDI as I just mentioned. And apart from that, if you really need a good mentorship, if you need personal guidance, you can go for plus batches, plus course of Unacademy. And my new batch is also starting from tomorrow, so you can join me for my plus batch also, so that you can get the guidance that similarly received by Ishan from Nikum sir. So yeah, and apart from that, we also have something called Iconic subscription. This is the new subscription that Unacademy has launched, where you get complete mentorship from the top B school alumni and the students. So you can go for Iconic subscription also. You might have to pay a little more, but then you can be rest assured of complete guidance from the top mentors, right? And as I mentioned, my batch is starting from 4th of January. That is tomorrow. So please join me for this batch, everyone. And for that, do not forget to use my referral code SHAH10. In case if you are new to Unacademy platform and if you want to try that how the sessions happen on Unacademy learning app, so what you can do is quickly download Unacademy learning app from Play Store or App Store, and then just unlock it using my code SHAH10, and you can enjoy many of my free sessions. In fact, in the description I have also provided a URL where I have compiled video links of all the sessions that I have conducted in the past, and they are free, so you can also watch them, right? So guys, keep learning with me. And definitely if you're going for plus subscription, if you're planning to go for plus subscription, then here are the various plans. You can definitely go for 24 months plan if you are CAT 2021 aspirant, so that would be helpful. The longer duration plan would also ensure your preparation for group discussion, personal interview and all. So go for slightly longer duration subscription, and you can enjoy many more benefits. So guys, once again, from tomorrow I'm starting this new series of LRDI as well as a new plus batch. So please join me for this and let's crack CAT together. In fact, if you are preparing for CAT, if you have just appeared for CAT 2020, and if you are wondering about group discussion and personal interview, then please stay tuned. Make sure that you have subscribed to this channel, and we are coming up with complete GDPI series on YouTube as well as on plus. So in case you don't want to go for plus subscription, you can keep getting guidance on YouTube also. The group discussion and personal interview preparation will be taken care by Unacademy experts, and we are also going to invite top B schools students and alumni. So yeah, you can be rest assured of your complete preparation, and I'm sure you will find your Nikum sir over here on Unacademy platform. Thank you.